Now, as you can see here, we have another common fault to dry solder. As you can see here, for example, for these ports, we have USB connectors and the audio connectors. If you have any dry solder or a terminal that is not connected perfectly to the motherboard, you can have a problem with your motherboards. Okay, this connector or ports can be USB connector, can be the VGA connector, can be a connector for the touchpad or for the keyboard, for the screen, etc. That's why you should check the soldering state in your motherboard, especially for the ports and connectors. This is also one of common faults that you can encounter in failed laptops motherboards, okay, especially for the power jack. Okay, if you have problem or a dry solder in the power jack, the laptop or the motherboard will be a dead motherboard. You cannot get no power, no light in the motherboard or in the laptop. So that's why you should check the soldering in the terminals, especially for the power jack. Of course, for the power jack and for other ports.